What's going on, YouTube viewers? This is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We're here at the Santa Clarita outlet once again, at the clearance center once again. This is my third trip here in 5 days. Why? Because they've been having 30% off like forever. So it's actually a Monday. It's actually after work. So yeah, let's go see if they got any good deals. Yeah, let's go see if they got any good deals, you guys. Yeah, so since this is a clearance center, their stock changes like a lot more frequently than the regular outlets, and since I didn't hit on the satin reds this past weekend, I figured, hey, yeah, let me see if I can find something to flip. You know, see if I can find anything here. And at 30% off, it totally makes it worth it. So yeah, let's see what we can find, you guys. Still 30% off. Hope we can find something. One of the size 9s. Not really too much. Start looking around a little more deeply. Look at the brand new Vapor Max. That's what, $70 something. Not bad. Look at that. Dang, why are these elements so expensive? Look at this. Only 55. You see these at every outlet. Maybe it's because it's a black and white. That's colorway. That's weird. Oh, okay. They got these Air Max 95s, some camo and orange, desert sand, sunset tint. This looks kind of cool. Hitting for what, 30% off. Nike, you guys just clearance center. You guys need to drop the price on these, man. These have been sitting here for, I want to say like a month. They've been sitting for a minute. Drop that price. Yeah, we've seen these quite often, 35 turbos. Yeah, but look, you wear them like once. Look at this, man. You wear them once, they get that crease. I don't even know brand new shoes creased up like that. That's crazy. Okay. That's the package 35 flyees. These are the ones where they zip up on the back. Got a zip on the back. So yeah, so they don't really have laces. They just zip up on the back. So you open and close. $70, 30% off, not bad. Some more Vapor Max. Oh, same price the ones that I picked up. Gold and orange. Gold and peach. Yes, not bad. Some reflectors. 95 reflectors. These are kind of cool. Okay. And the see-through material. The black part is like see-through, and then this part is like a little checker. Oh, it's like textured. That's kind of cool. Not bad. And someone must have returned these. Pegasus 36. They look almost exactly the same as the Pegasus 35. Which not many changes. Definitely not with that price hike. One of the 9.5. This is the Air Max Plus C's. It's an interesting color. Tan, like desert tan, and it's like a pink camo. What's the point of having camo if it's pink like that? But, it's an interesting color. And these have been here for like months too. Price is still the same, man. Y'all need to drop them prices. Crazy. Oh, that's a cool ass price, but I don't know about that color. Price is good though. And these are some interesting ones. Got an old school look to it. Air Max ones. Super old school looking. Checking out some 10s. Actually kind of looked in this area a little bit. I picked up some Kobe ADs. I got one of these listed on eBay already. Yeah, I don't see much else. Let me look around a little bit. These are actually kind of low-key fire, dude. Look how cheap they are too. 69. Look at how cheap they are. Not bad. Some Team Jordans. Pretty good price. Not bad. Look at the size 10s, man. It's had a crazy weekend already. Man, look at this. They already got, I guess it's 36 trails. Oh my goodness. 36 just came out. That's interesting. Local retail, 30% off though. See, this is the right price for them Pegasus 35. Super comfortable. That's the right price right there. 30% off on top of that, so that's another 21. So that's what, $50 or $49? That's legit right there. See, every aisle, man. Every aisle they got these, man. Either they keep getting a restock or these aren't selling. I don't know. I don't know. Here, more money. Who's really buying these, man? Really? Who's really buying these? Come on, man. Really? Really? Yeah, just come with the extra. What's it called? But seriously, who's buying these? Good price, but still, who's buying these? This is their Jordan section that's pretty much wiped out. Oh, Jordan and LeBron section. What is this? I see like a logo on it. Oh, okay. Who is it? What is that? It's awful looking parachute though. Awful looking. I don't even want to look at the price. Awful. Okay. Air Force Max. $80. You know, falling on a budget. I know he's a big fan of these. His basketball sneaker of the year. Air Pippin, still here. These are nice. These are nice. Super heavy though. Okay, more Vapor Max. More Vapor Max. What's it, 77? Didn't these just release? I swear these just released. I'm sure I've seen them. Okay. Dude, the fabrics. Oh, because I'm all throwing stuff. That's what happens when you film one-handed. Look, these are nice. Got suede. A little bit of movement, not much. Yeah, these are fire. These are nice. Look at this. The medial side, the back. These are nice, dude. Nice set of colors. Got soldiers galore. Outlets, you're always going to see a bunch of soldiers because apparently they're pretty whack. I don't know. Oh, we're in size 11. 150. Retail check here, more up tempos. I wonder if these have any resale value. I don't know. That's a little high though. That's real steep. Yeah, these are selling on eBay, but the prices are kind of everywhere. I'm gonna stay away from that one. Size 11, there's really not much in the Jordan section. These prices went back up. These are the ones I found for $39.99. Oh, yeah, $39.99, 30% off. Actually, I think they're $29.99, 30% off. They were $21 after tax. That's all I know. After the discount, that's all I know. Dang. And they got these crazy shoe and all kinds of stuff. Look at this, crazy ass Saturns. Who bought these, really? The 200 too, who bought these? Size 12 Jordan / LeBron aisle. Really not much. Really not much. These got these PG3s. Oh, damn. That's a crazy price. Oh, I'm about to pick this up. Size 12, so man, these are legit. Let's check how much. Oh, shit. Look at this. Air Max. Or was it the Vapor Max 95s? Let me check to see how if these are selling at all. I got the Air Pippins that they go for $75. Size 14, I think they were going for like 55, 30% off. That's pretty legit. I'm always interested when they got Converse here, see what they how much they go for, because they do go for crazy prices sometimes. Oh, $39, that's not too bad. God damn, these are huge. These make your feet look crazy huge. Yeah, don't get those. This is actually a premium shoe. I don't even know what the hell they're called. Usually they only got one of the premium shoes. That's weird. $70. Oh dang. LeBron Icon sneaker. Dang. These did not sell for shit. Nobody got these. Yeah, can't believe they're still that expensive. $250, 30% off at least. Kobe ADs, $60. Not bad. I wonder if those sell. Not bad. 11.5 Jordans. Yeah, we got nothing, dude. These why nots? Why not? $65. Oh man, why not? At that price, why not? Shit, dude. It's a legit price. Some Generation 23s. There's some why nots up there, exact same colorway. Yeah, that's about it. Some fadeaways. 55 bucks. That's totally worth it. If you look at these at the right angle, maybe at the right angle, they might not look that bad. Maybe. Look at these. Wannabe sixes. Wannabe sixes. 60 bucks. Yeah, that's the right price. Shit, that's the right price. Alright, so I did look around. Found some Jordan Hydro 13 retros. Selling for what? So for what, $20, $21? These bad boys are going for like 50, 60 bucks online. Look, I just happened to check the aisles. Found a Jordan 11. Dude, those are awesome. There's an emerald, but still pretty decent. Alright, so I got what, 5 different pair of Jordan Hydro.
You just chill in the middle over
These
here.
are, I think, the 11s and 13s primarily. 11s and 13s. They're all, what, $21? They're all going for, what, $60, $50, $60 online. So, not bad. Alright, I was just about to say, hey man, this was a total loss and I didn't get anything because I really wasn't about to buy nothing. But then came up on them 5 pair of Hydros, the Hydro 11s and Hydro 13s. They all sell for like 50, 60 bucks. Because they only sell them for a limited time and then they don't sell them no more. So, all right, if you like these type of videos, make sure you subscribe, you guys. Subscribe. Yeah, man, come on, man. Be throwing all kinds of good content out there. So go ahead, subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you go ahead, leave me some comments. Let me know if I got some good deals or if I'm not gonna make any money off of this, or if you hate me because I'm starting to become a reseller. It's only like the second or third trip I've actually bought stuff to resell. So yeah, let me know what you think, you guys. Thanks for joining. Peace. See you in the next one, guys.